Bert here, and you know how you watch headphone reviews on YouTube and the reviewer talks about the headphone, but you don't actually get to hear how the headphone sounds?
Don't most headphone reviewers on YouTube do that?
Well, here at Bert Reviews, we are changing all that. From now on, when we do a headphone review, you are going to actually hear the headphone we're reviewing.
But the people watching this video are not here with us. How can they try on the headphone?
You don't have to be here. You can listen through YouTube.
How are you going to do this?
Easy. I'd like all of you to meet Mr. Ears. Now, we call him that because Mr. Ears has, well, he's got ears. Can you turn around there? See that? He's got an ear on each side of him.
My, what big ears he has!
Mr. Ears is actually a very high-end professional binaural microphone. We'll be using this microphone to make you hear what headphones sound like. And I'll be using it for all future headphone reviews. For real.
That is a microphone?
Well, it's two microphones, one in each ear. Can you turn your ear for a second? It has two high-end microphone capsules where the human eardrum would be. You see that?
Yes.
Now just a minute. Don't worry, I'm not gonna hurt you. I see you're using an acoustic simulator. Aren't you gonna use an isolation test chamber?
No, we're not doing any measurements. This room is pretty quiet. There shouldn't be any outside noise.
What type of microphones are these?
They are two matched DPA 4060 high sensitivity capsules.
Interesting. Omnidirectional condenser microphones?
Yes, they are designed to accurately reproduce audio signals from both voice and musical instruments. In other words, they are designed to mimic human hearing.
Why does it have ears?
It's been engineered to simulate how human beings hear sounds in the natural world. The sounds we hear are all affected by the pinna, the outer ear. So this microphone sounds like natural hearing because it is shaped like ears.
Wait a minute. We can use these for ASMR.
What's ASMR?
Don't you know ASMR? Those super relaxing videos on YouTube that tickle your ears? Can we make videos like that?
We're not using them for ASMR. These are for professional headphone testing only.
Oh, please.
No! Okay, let's do a quick demonstration. Now you are going to need headphones for this, so please pause the video and put on a pair of headphones. Also, whenever you need to have your headphones on, you will see this symbol at the bottom left of your screen. It's not there. Oh, there it is. Okay, do you have your headphones on?
You know, Bert, many people watching are not going to pause the video, even though you told them to, and even though they don't have headphones. I've done that before on YouTube.
Should people watch this video without headphones? All right, there you go. Now, for those of you who don't have headphones, what's coming up next is not going to make a lot of sense to you.
Okay, well, I have my headphones on.
You ready? All right, let's go. Welcome to glorious stereo sound. Now, you should be hearing me through the right headphone, through your right headphone.
Wow, you do sound like you're on the right.
And when Mr. Ears turns towards me, turn towards me, please. You should be hearing me in the center. I should be right at the center. Now, turn the other way. Now you should be hearing me mostly through your left ear.
It's like you are here to my left.
All right, turn around, please. Pretty amazing stuff. Okay, can we switch back to mono, please? There we go. We're back in mono. All right, so we are going to play the same music on a few different headphones so you can hear the difference. And this music is royalty-free, so I'm not, getting in trouble with the copyrights. Okay, YouTube?
Oh, we cannot play popular music due to copyright issues on YouTube?
Exactly. Now let's start with some headphones that have a lot of bass. What do you think about the Fostex TH-900? He's excited. He likes it. Okay, play the audio file, Grover. Now the Sony Z1R.
I like these.
Did you hear that bass?
Yes, I did.
Now this is a headphone from the 90s, and the drivers are completely separate from your ear. Do you see that? They're just floating outside your ear. So basically it's a floating driver. As you can imagine, these headphones don't have the best bass. They're kind of interesting though. All right, let's have a listen. All right, did you hear that?
I can hear the difference.
Now let's try something with sparkling highs, like the Beyerdynamic T1. Now this is version 1 of the Beyerdynamic T1. They made a second version. I prefer the first one, actually. All right, let's go.
Wow, all these headphones sound so different.
That's the beauty of the headphone hobby. There are so many different headphones out there, so many to choose from. All right, now we're going to listen to the cheapest headphone I've ever had. I bought these for $5 at the pharmacy. They don't even have a brand name. It just says stereo on them. Now, I want you to listen for the sound stage, the width of the sound, okay? It's extremely narrow.
The sound is not very wide.
That's right, Grover. Now get ready. Here's something with a big soundstage. The Sennheiser HD800.
Oh my, that is a very spacious sound.
And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this test, and we look forward to seeing you soon with more headphone reviews.
Bye-bye.
Hello. This is Grover. Just close your eyes and relax, relax, relax.
Grover! Oh, sorry.